everyone, it's I here. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm just gonna be sharing with you some keto meal prep that I prepared for my husband. I don't know how to call that, but keto meal prep. Yeah, something like that, which I actually posted before from my old TikTok account, and because I've deleted that, they are saved on my gallery, and I'm kind of cleaning right now because I'm planning to vlog tomorrow. So by the way, I'm kind of whispering, guys, because it's already 1:30 in the morning and the family is asleep. I just wanted to clear my phone and I saw my keto meal videos and other TikTok videos which are saved, and I kind of think, why not post them on YouTube? And by the way, I'm filming portrait mode, not landscape, so I hope it's gonna be perfect when it's posted and it can be watched properly. Yeah, this keto meal thing is what I do, what I prepare to my husband, and I kind of plan to do it from day 1 to day 100, but for some reason I've deleted my TikTok account, so I think I ended up around day 26 or 27. So yeah, and up until now I am preparing keto meal for him, but I just couldn't post it anymore. So yeah, I just end around day 26 and 27. I just wanted to share it with you as well, guys, just to give you an idea. Keto meal is not so complicated. It's just a matter of, discipline. I'm the one preparing for my husband, so my husband is lucky. So yeah, that is all for my chit chat. I have nothing to say. I have a lot to say, but I'm kind of sleepy. So that is all, guys. I hope you watch this video and learn something from it for the preparation. By the way, if you are asking, from keto meal, my husband is around 100 kilo, and with keto meal he is like 95, 94, 93 something, which I'm very proud. It's not a lot to lose because he has this beer beer issues, and beer is not keto at all. But yeah, anyway, this quarantine he is kind of alternating from carbs because we don't have that much stock on keto recipes or ingredients. But yeah, around 3 to 4 days a week he is eating what do you call that, keto, and the other days he will cheat if I bake some cookies, if I make some pasta, or it's still my fault, but still I cannot wait for this quarantine to end so that I can prepare proper meals for him. Yeah, such a loving wife. Anyway, let's proceed for the day 1 and to day 26. Keto meal day 1, grilled hot-link sausage, halloumi cheese, bitter olives, and pickled cucumber. Keto meal day 2, sauteed chili ground beef and bok choy, and also fruits.
Mom.
Yeah, with guava,
Mom.
pear, and pomegranate. You want mamam? That's Papa's mamam. Keto meal day 3, chicory salad with chipotle sausage, tomatoes, eggs, and goat cheese. Keto meal day 4, adobong sitaw. It's a Filipino recipe. Keto meal day 5, hot-link sausage, olives, chili feta cheese, and eggs. Keto meal day 6, bacon-wrapped halloumi cheese and salad. Keto meal day 7, pan-seared pre-roasted pork belly, salad, and buffalo mozzarella cheese. For keto meal day 8, I prepared meat pie and wild mix. Keto meal day 9, cauliflower crust pizza. Keto meal day 10, chipotle sausage, gruyere cheese, bitter olives, tomatoes, and eggs. Keto meal day 11, roasted beef with spinach and mozzarella cheese. Keto meal day 12, bratwurst, broccoli, and emmental cheese. Keto meal day 13, tuna cheese omelette. Keto meal day 14, pan-seared beef and mushroom. Keto Meal Day 16, fried eggplant and beef scrambled egg. Keto Meal Day 17, butter sauteed artichoke hearts with sardines. Keto Meal Day 18, roasted pork, chipotle sausage, chili feta cheese, and bitter olives. Keto Meal Day 19, Boschbeck strips, tomatoes, bitter olives, and labneh cheese. Keto Meal Day 20, beef sausage, spinach, and buffalo mozzarella cheese. Keto Meal Day 21, cheesy mushroom, spinach omelette. Keto Meal Day 22, baked cauliflower. Keto Meal Day 23, homemade creamy tomato burger patty with spinach and radish. Keto Meal Day 24, roasted pork and Brussels sprouts with blue cheese and olives. Keto Meal Day 25, buttered cabbage with sardines. Keto Meal Day 26, cauliflower fried rice with medium rare steak and cornichon. Keto Meal Day 27, chipotle sausage, olives, tomatoes, and tom de savoie cheese. That is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye! Good night! I love you so much. Mwah.